it's time to get this welded in properly, and then grind that all back smooth, and it will look spot on, I hope. And then we might start tackling this. Not looking forward to that, so yeah, we'll have to just see what we can do. So yeah, we'll get started on that first anyway, so let's crack on. Okay, so I've just done a little bit, just letting it cool so it doesn't warp too much or anything, but yeah, there you go. So what I did was just lots of like small tacks, not just a constant weld on it. So yeah, let's just squeeze around here, show you the back. How well you can see, there you go. So yeah, could be a lot worse, not too bad. So yeah, I'll actually do a non-time-lapse. Oh god, I'm tripping over. I'll do this bit now not in time-lapse, so you can just sort of see for yourself how I'm doing it. So yeah. Right, get my glove on. Tripping over everything. So yeah, there we go, that's it. Just little tacks like that going along. Try and show you without making too much horrible noise getting the camera off. There you are. That's that middle bit there. So yeah, I'll just let it cool, finish the rest of that off. So yeah, we'll probably just time lapse the rest of that. Forgot to restart the camera when I started grinding down the welds on the front, but yeah, that's all done. Just got a coat of primer on it now. So yeah, can hardly even tell. So pretty impressed with that actually. So yeah, now on to the next thing, I guess. The bit I'm still really not looking forward to, fixing that dash rail. Yay! Yeah, you can probably tell there's no enthusiasm there. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, so made up my new piece there. I just used a bit of that old rusty inner wing. I thought that'd do the job just fine. No, I'm joking. It's here. So I made this top piece and this end there all out of one and just bent it. And then this here, thinking about it now, I could have just bent it, but I just did that separately and welded it on. It's not the most pretty welding, but it's definitely solid. So yeah, that will sit somewhere in there, somewhat like that. That's how the old one was. So yeah, that's not particularly I don't really know what it's meant to do, to be honest, but it was there, so we put it back. So yeah, something like that, but I need to clean all that up first and remake this too. So yeah, anyway, that's that ready to go anyway. So that piece here welds onto the panel there, which is currently basically non-existent, made of cheese, etc. So yeah, we'll try and make up something for this as well. I can't imagine it's going to be particularly factory looking. It's just basically just plates onto there. It's yeah, whatever. So yeah. Also, I'm noticing that this dash rail is absolutely mullered. Like, let me get the light. Ooh, there's a plane going overhead. We're not that far from Elvington Airfield, which would explain why there's a lot of planes all the time. But yeah, it's really bent up as its dash rail, so I'm wondering if it's been in a bit of a bump or something before this car, because I don't know if you can see, like here, that's just not straight, and above where the heater is, all this is just, it's not straight, it's all rippled there. It's not very good at all. So I mean, it'll do the job, but it does kind of make me wonder if it's been a bit of a bump or something in the past, perhaps. Who knows? But yeah, we'll make up something for that anyway. Also, this torch, guys, so bright for you. There you go. I'm absolutely loving it, this little work light thing. I'll try my very, very best to remember to put a link in the description for that, 'cause it was like 14 quid or something. It's just a rechargeable thing. I've never had it go flat in a whole day's use. It's supposedly got like a 4-hour battery life, so if you only have it on when you need it, it lasts absolutely fine. So yeah, I will try and remember to leave a link in the description to that. It's a sweet little thing. Right, so yeah, I don't know if I'll bother recording trying to make this up either. It's just going to take me a while, I'm quite sure, and won't be that interesting. So yeah, probably off camera now. I will try and make up a new piece. I'm going to cut that off about there, I think, and then extend it across here and just have a little bit that sort of is going to weld on there as well. And I might clean that up off camera as well, just clean the rust off it. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys soon, I hope, and bring devastating news. Just here doing some cardboard templating for my dash rail panel, and it went quiet. The fan heater had just gone off, so I thought maybe it just got a bit warm or something, so I gave it a few minutes, nothing happened. Yeah, I thought maybe it's just a bit filthy, you know. So I blew it out with compressed air. A lot of dust came out of it, like clouds of dust came out. So yeah, I mean, it could be filth related, could it's death, but it's definitely cold now, and it's just completely dead. Light doesn't come on or anything. So yeah, I checked the fuse as well, put a new fuse in it, and it still doesn't work. So that's annoying. It's already getting freezing in here. It's only been off for about 10 minutes. Okay. Oops. Oh well. I need a new heater now. Well, I'll have that other red one over there, but it only like really warms up like a really local area where you put it, because there's no fan in it. Obviously, the heat just rises up, and yeah, you don't actually get much heat spread throughout the whole place, whereas with the fan one, obviously it blows it around a bit more. So yeah, definitely could do with another fan heater, really. So that's a shame. It's annoying. So I think I might call it a day soon, because I'm getting fucking cold already. It is also 6:20, so meh. So yeah, we'll maybe just do a bit more cardboarding, and then we'll go. So yeah, update in a bit. Okay, so what I said before about I might finish making my template thing. Nah, I can't be bothered. It's getting that little heater. It's a lot warmer than you might think. It's getting very, 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 very cold in here now, and yeah, I feel hungry. So yeah, home time, methinks. But yeah, so today we've basically got that on, made up another bracket for over there, and halfway to getting that finished. So that's something, I guess. Slow and steady progress, but hey, better than no progress at all. There we go, get my words out. So yeah, thanks for watching this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a like, subscribe, etc. Have a look at the Facebook page, and catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.